So here we have 25 examples of Google Ads site links for you to use in your campaigns. Now, first of all, let's speak about site links a little bit. A site link is actually a link that is displayed under the main advertising you have created. Your main adverts can have ad extensions, and site links are the number 1 ad extension you should be using in your campaign. Because A, they increase the real estate that you have in your advert. So see that this advert here is the main bits, and the site links have now over doubled the size of the real estate used on the landing page, on the search engine landing page. So what you're doing there is taking up more real estate, so it gives you a better chance to stand out from your competitors and just be that number 1 advert that people's eyes are automatically going to be drawn to. Number 2, they add more options for users to click through. So you have to pick your site links wisely, and you have to complement this main link here with other links to your website that could be beneficial and that users may want to click on instead of the actual link here. A more specific section to this main link here would be beneficial to use, but that's for you to decide. So let's look over the examples. So what I have is pretty broad site links, but they give you some quantity to put into your account. What I suggest is you use these at your free will, bearing in mind you will have to change out some of these and put your own company name or put the dates of certain sales. But these are more broad site links that you can put on an account-based level. But what I suggest here is at the bottom section, you can add a tailored site link. So this is specific to your service or your product. But these would be really good to use on an account level basis. So let's run through them quickly. So this section here, we have CTA. This can be used for a more service-based business, but it's up to you. We have contact us now, call us now, make an inquiry, get a free quote, etc. This section here, we talk about e-com specific calls to actions. This is the main section, which is more general site links we can use, like about us, our story, delivering returns, login, our blog, etc. And the final section we have is for sale specific site links. So these will have to be made live, obviously at the specific time of the sale. So make sure to do that. And yeah, like I said, this section here is for you to add your specific site links for your website that I can't do on here because they are too specific to your website and I don't know your website. But these give you a good basis to add to the account-based level. So yeah, feel free. The link is in the description to get these. Simply when you get to it, click on this button here and go copy to new spreadsheet or existing. That's what I recommend you to do. Please feel free to download this, and if you would like to connect me on LinkedIn, I would love to increase my connections, and feel free to send me a message about anything marketing related. I'd love to answer any questions possible. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one.